Hope everybody had a good Labor Day weekend. Got a little painting tip if you're interested. Let me turn this around. I'll show you what I do to my paint can and my paint tray. So to keep what I end up doing, I get a hammer and just a flat bladed screwdriver, and I poke holes all the way around the paint can, so when I pour it, what's stuck in the lip, when you go to reseal the lid, it's not squirting out all down the side of the can. The other thing I like doing is just taking a plastic bag, putting it over my paint tray. And one of the things I like best about this, if you're doing multiple coats, when I get done, I try to get my paint tray about empty, and then I wrap up my roller super tight in here, and then 3, 4, 5 hours later, sometimes a day later, it's still moist, and I don't even have to clean out my roller. The other thing I used to do when I was painting signs full time is I would get a bucket of water, and I would seal this up and put it in a bucket of water, and that was with enamel, not latex, and it would stay moist, so I wouldn't have to throw away a paint roller. Anyway, little painting tip, making some shutters for my brother-in-law Frank, her husband Jill. So use some recycled pressure treated lumber that I got from a friend of mine. Thank you, Tommy Kemp. And this is the back side. And flip this over. So anyway, they're going up to Cincinnati in a week, and I'm going to get them painted. Hope y'all have a great day. Enjoy painting. Adios.